A service dog is trained to perform tasks to help an individual with a disability.
And I can honestly say that I owe my life to my assistant dog.
Okay, every dog has a purpose. Everything has a purpose.
Man's best friend. But what if his best friend could actually save your life?
Buddy, my best friend, I rely on him 24/7, and he has just changed my life forever.
The thing that I've gone through and done, the dog has probably helped the most. Without him, not sure how far along my recovery I would be. I don't think I would be where I am today without him.